The first one is the one that we all know, which is the plus sign, the manual sign, the times sign, addition and subtraction, the normal thing that we do every day. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But there is a lot that you need to know as well. So make sure you subscribe and like the video if you are new. And then let's continue with the second one. So the second one, as you see on the screen right here, okay. So I see on the screen right here, look at the top. At the top, we have something like a clock, okay. Just tap on it, okay. This one, let me just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will give you the recent, history, okay, of your calculations right there. And when I checked, almost like 100, right there. I counted up to 100 and then I stopped, okay, but it was so much, okay. So that's one thing for you to know of your past calculations conversion, okay. So the dollar sign right here with it, just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will give you the opportunity for you to just convert a currency. So let's say let me just show you something. So you can see online currency converter, and before this will work, make sure you have turned on data services for your calculator. That's why most of your calculator is using your data, just because of this. So if you don't like this to just happen, or for your calculator to be deducting data, then you have to just turn it off for the background data as well, so that they will minimize the rate at which they just take down your data, okay. So we have this one here. Just tap on it. You will set your targets. Let's say I want to convert a cedi to a dollar, okay. So let's say Ghanaian cedi will be the one that I want to convert to check their rate, okay. And then we have the second one, which is USDT. So you can just search it right here, okay, and then you will get it, okay. But since I have it right there, I'm cool. So let's say how much dollar, or let's say what's the conversion rate for $1 to Ghana cedi. So I'll come to dollar, I'll come to the USDT side, okay, and then I will tap on this side, and then I will type in 1, okay. So when I type in 1, we can see at the top we have 13.5648, which means that $1 is 13.5648 Ghana cedis. You understand? So you can just do it right here instead of going online searching everything right there. You can just do it very, very simple here. It will show you the current. But look down here, you can see something right here, okay. So this is last updated, which is 4th 25th 2024, okay. So that's the updated one. So as I open the app, it got updated. So if you see a date, a backdated, okay, know that maybe there may be some changes, or you can just turn on or give your calculator access to the internet so that it can just refresh, okay. So yeah, try that one if in case you see a backdated and not the current date that you are checking it. And also the time as well. You can see with this one we have 23:36, adding the time as well. So just take note of that one, okay. And then we have the three dots at the top right here. Just tap on it and then you can just tap on update exchange. So let's say you saw a backdated and then you want to update it to just see the current ones. Sure, we have it right here for you. Just tap on update exchange rate or update local currency. All right, just simple as that one, okay. Now let's go back again to see more right there. We have something like a ruler right here. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it has a lot of things for you to just convert as well. When it comes to length, we have the foot, which is the ft, and then let's say 1 feet of foot, yeah, and then to centimeter to inch, okay. And then we have the area right here, and then we have the volume, we have the time as well. So 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds and 60 minutes, okay. So 60 minutes, and then seconds is 3,600. And when we move as well, we have the temperature, we have the height, we have the weight, okay. So weight, temperature, time, volume, area, length, all in the calculator. Maybe you haven't gotten to know of this. Let me know whether you know some of these before you watch this video, okay. Now one thing that I would also like to show you is look down here, okay. We have something like this, as you see right here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, it will just give you this kind of sine cos theta, cos 90 is equal to 0. I've been hearing this, but let me just show you right here, cos 90 is negative 0.44, which is somehow negative. Okay, so with your calculator you can even do the sine, the cos, and then these things right there. Maybe you didn't know, now you know. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, and in case you want to return back, tap on that same icon right there below, and then it will just return you back to normal. Stay alive and bye for now.